my Orange Beach terrible weather cooking show here today. I have a lovely assistant with us today. My future daughter-in-law, Miss Lauren McClary from Houston, Texas. We're going to show her what's up. We're going to show her how to cook a little Cajun cooking, right? All right.
Let's do it.
Today what we're going to do is pepper jelly wings. It's just some chicken wings with some pepper jelly on it. Lauren says she does not like chicken wings that much, but that's why I picked her, because my wings are so good. She will taste them and she will like them, I promise you. I made a bet that she would like them. We're going to see what happens at the end of the show, right?
We're going to see.
All right. All right, our first order of business is we're going to take these wings, we're going to put them in a bowl, we're going to get them seasoned up, we're going to get them prepped up, ready to go. And if anybody knows Captain Kobe, everybody knows that he loves his mustard, right? So the first thing we're going to do is get these wings in the bowl. Okay? And I have my lovely assistant, Miss McClary. Go ahead and give me some mustard in there, right? All right. There you go. Looks good. Let's see what we look like. I like, hey, she got a lot of mustard going in there. I like that. That's what I'm talking about, all right? That's it. Don't be scared to put that mustard. That's what all your flavor is. It cooks awesome, too. All right? And we want to have this mustard on both sides of the wing, right? We want it everywhere. Good tenderizer in there. Okay? Now we're gonna get to the seasoning part. She's from Texas. She probably don't season like I season, but we're gonna get her right. We're gonna show you what's up, right? Come on, get a seasoning in there. Oh no, you're not even close. Keep coming. At her, girl. Good job. Let's see what we got. Okay? Listen, these wings can take a lot of seasoning. Don't worry about it. And what we're going to do when it's all said and done, after we get it everywhere, we get our pan lined up, we're going to re-season them again on the top.
All right.
We like them spicy. You like them spicy?
Yep.
What we have here is our pan. We're going to take these chicken wings, we're going to put them on the pan. And what Miss Lauren just told me is a good little trick of the trade. When you bake chicken, we all know baked chicken is hard to clean once it's all baked on there. It's hard to clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of foil, right, on our pan.
Yep.
That's right. We'll put our foil on our pan. That way, have an easy clean when it's all said and done.
Like that.
Look at that. Great job. You're a great assistant. All right. Now what we want to do is just stack these. I'm gonna let you do a little bit right there. Go ahead and stack these wings.
Like that?
Oh, just like that.
Boom.
Well, let me show you something else right here. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna kind of turn these a little bit so that we can fit all of those wings on one tray. Right there, Miss Lauren?
That's right.
That's right. Good job. I knew she was coming with that. All right, let's see. Okay. All right. All right. Look, if you don't like a lot of seasoning, this is probably just right for you. Okay. But if you like them a little spicy, I like them a little spicy. You like yours a little spicy?
Yep.
Yeah, Lauren likes hers spicy too. So what we're gonna do is, now that we have seasoning on both sides, we're gonna go ahead and dust the top of this right quick, like. There you go. Perfect. All right, and listen, if you like them pepper, you like them super hot, dust them harder than that. Okay? You got our oven preheated?
Yep.
All right, what we want to do is we want to put our oven at 400 degrees. We want to get that preheated, and we want to cook these for 1 hour. I like mine crispy. You like yours crispy?
Yep.
All right, she likes hers crispy too. All right, so we're gonna get these in the oven, and then we're gonna come back in about an hour and see what we made of, right?
Got it.
All right, come on. Somebody got a water dish. Right, Matt?
Oh yeah.
All right, while our chicken is cooking, we're gonna talk about Miss McClary a little bit, right? Miss McClary was a Division I softball player for
Ohio University.
Ohio University. I say Ohio, but we'll go with Ohio for now. All right, what position you play?
I was a pitcher.
Did I just say pitcher already?
I don't know.
No? Okay. Well, she was a pitcher for University of Ohio. Oh, y'all, the Bobcats?
Bobcats. Go Bobcats.
Bobcats. Shit. You see she repping the LSU shirt today, though. I like it. I'm gonna go with that. All right, go Tigers.
Go Tigers.
Go Tigers. Transplant now, baby. All right, what did you major in school?
I was a communications major and marketing and management minor. So that's all I got.
Do you do any of that today?
No,
No?
not really.
Well, listen, I majored in firefighting, and I minored in carpentry, and I'm a carpenter and I'm a firefighter. So
There you
all of
go.
my stuff, yeah. No, I didn't even go to college. Just all the knowledge that I have in me just come from years of experience, school of hard knocks, right?
There you go.
All right, there you have it. A little bit about Miss McClary. All right, it's been about an hour. I think our chicken wings are ready. See, they're nice and crispy. That's how I like them. That's how you like them.
That's how I like
Let's
it.
see how they look. Take them out. And put them on our towel over there. All right. Now that we have our chicken wings kind of crispy, what we want to do is put our finishing touches, and we're going to put a little pepper jelly right here. And what I want to do is just want to loosen this up. All right, what we're going to do is take this jelly right here. I want to soften it up a little bit, put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna soften that jelly up so it spreads real well, as you can see. All right. On, be careful, that bowl's hot. Go ahead and let's get our wings dusted up.
I'm going to some place I ain't never been before. I'm gone where the water tastes like wine.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back in the oven for about 1 minute. Let that caramelize a little bit. Right?
Right.
All right, here we go. Got our pepper jelly wings that I think are absolutely phenomenal. We'll see what Miss McClary thinks. We really don't like chicken wings that much. Well,
Those are good.
they're good, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
One might say they would be.
Phenomenal.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Well, there you have it. Thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all next show, and see y'all in the kitchen.
Might even leave the USA. I'm gone where the water tastes like wine.